Smart home is at a really interesting point in its development. We've seen a really strong variety of smart home devices come to market over the last 10 years. In fact, we see more new customers getting into buying smart home devices that may not be particularly tech savvy. And this research, done in partnership with Asurion, is focused on the state of the market in the smart home today and how consumers are experiencing the growing number of devices that they have in their home. Consumers now have, on average, 17 connected devices in their home, which is up from just 10 devices 5 years ago. And there's even more devices in homes with children. Consumers do have a lot of difficulties with smart home devices, particularly at the onboarding. They've just bought a device, they come home, they're trying to get it set up, they're having troubles getting it on the network, they're having trouble getting that device talking to another device. We know that when it comes to problems and device returns, that a middle market customer is much less tolerant of bugs and issues. They're buying a device that they just want to work. If there are going to be bugs in the experience, or the experience is too difficult, if you're putting a job on the customer to really figure out how things are going to work, that device is going to get returned. And the thing that you really need to suppress those is create great products that clearly return the value that customers are looking for, meet customers' expectations right at that install and then throughout the product journey. 48% of consumers said that they would be more interested in an extended warranty for a smart home device if it were bundled with tech support services, which I think speaks a little bit to the fact that traditional support offerings aren't very easily accessible. One of the problems with the fact that most customers, when they have a technical support issue today, take DIY steps to solve it. So being able to reach your customer and provide that premium technical support before they ever even need to get off into those DIY channels is also a competitive advantage. And then the final point I would say is the need for omnichannel support. The Asurion data did show that there's about parity in customers interested in support either via phone, in person, or through live chat. Younger consumers might be much more comfortable with a chat experience, where older customers do appreciate sometimes folks coming to the home to show them what's wrong, to actually have hands and eyes on something and to be able to fix in real time, meeting the customer where they are. If you can show that you were there for your customer, it's not just one-time support calls, there's an ongoing relationship that you're supporting them. That is how you win trust. That is how you build an actual relationship with a customer and create that brand loyalty.